Hello from Camaya. This place is totally worth the hype. It's so gorgeous and it's so peaceful, so quiet, exactly what my soul needed. Actually, I shouldn't talk much. I'll just show you the place and it will speak for itself.
The water blessing ceremony enters our house. We will give you some holy water.
Sure.
Taken from the temple around. So may I do?
That's great. Yeah.
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you. That's the welcome drink and that's the view. I'm super happy that I'm here. Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I'm Murah.
Mura?
Murah.
Resham.
Rachel.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
Just
meeting
by
you.
yourself?
Yeah, by myself.
So welcome. You.
Thank you.
You're really close to the nature.
Yes. And it's really beautiful.
Sorry a bit, we have some project downstairs. So we have some workers work.
No worries.
Yeah. Enjoy. So whenever you're ready, let me know.
All right, perfect. All right, thank you. Okay, let's go. All right, so that's the way to the pyramid house. And here's the bell. This is quite cool actually. So when you order room service, they come and ring it. And you hear it pretty loud actually inside. And then they can come inside. That's the door to the magical kingdom. Look at this place. It's the bedroom. So that's the first bedroom. Look at those lights, guys. I can't wait for the sun to go down and this place is gonna turn into a magical castle. That's the bed. See, now you know why it's called a pyramid house. Let's continue with the tour. And right in front of the bed, guys, is this view. And then here is a lounge area. Some more chairs for lunch, dinner, whatever, a musical instrument. Another night, we'll get there. For now, okay, turn right from the bedroom. Hello. And there's this hammock. Cool. And look at this shower. Such gorgeous place. And then you go down from here. And here are some lounges. Look at this view. Look at this, guys. A flower pot. I didn't even ask them to do it. They just did it for me. And guess what, guys? There's a second bedroom. A round bed. And look at this shower. So that's the tour, guys. Now I'm gonna relax and enjoy. And I'll show you this place tonight.
I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh.
is here. I was so hungry that I think I've ordered way too much, way more than I should have, or way more than I can actually eat, but it is what it is.
Leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
Good morning, guys. Early morning here is out of the world incredible. Like, I genuinely don't have words to explain how beautiful and serene this place is, especially in the morning. Well, my today's plan is I'm gonna get ready. I'm first gonna have breakfast and then arrange a mini tour. So at 11, I leave, will go to a waterfall, and I might go for a hike. I have plans of going for a hike in Ubud, but I think I'm gonna do it today as well, although I'm a little tight on timings because I'm going to Nusa Penida. So I have my speedboat booked for 4. It's just 15 minutes, and I'm staying at Kama, and you'll see all about it in the next video. But for now, that's the update. Isn't this like the best color smoothie bowl ever? And with that, it's time for me to go and leave this beautiful place. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.